potatoes.
Hey garden family and friends, good afternoon. This is Alima in Dolores' Garden, Zone 8B, Middle Georgia. And on today we're going to go ahead and harvest these potatoes. I have Mom, garden manager, joining me. My son, he's part of the garden architect group. So let me go ahead and turn you around. Let's get to this harvest. We'll be harvesting some Yukon Gold, Red Norland, Red Port in this bed. And then we're going to get to this bed, which is our Caribou, Caribe, Huckleberry Gold, and I think that is it. But let's see how much we can get from both of these beds. All right, y'all.
They might get you a mic, Grandma. They might get you a mic.
All right, don't be afraid. Go ahead, pull up a plant. Let's see who gonna.
You wanted to get your big ones over here.
Oh, it don't matter. You want to do that first?
Yeah.
You want me to hold it for you?
Go ahead, pull it up, Mama. Oh,
That's why I said you wanted to do these.
look
I knew it
at
was gonna be a lot.
Woo. All right, Mama, let me bring your basket. Don't let them drop too much.
They're right.
That
the
way they
basket
don't
right
get
there.
bruised. Let me get Grandma a basket. Here, do this for Mama. We know the leaves could have definitely died back a little bit more, but we needed to get this up so that we can get these sweet potatoes in the ground. And what you about to pull up? Let's see.
This one.
Whoa, nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look good.
All right, let's sit them in the basket carefully and we good to go. Ooh, they in there, baby.
Yeah.
So after we pull out the plants, then we'll dig because we know it's gonna be some more underneath. I'll put these here. Oh, what's this? Oh, wait, we're gonna kill. Oh, yep. It was a caterpillar. We got him, though. We got him. When I say they in there, oh, look at this plant. It's loaded. Yo. What you got, Mama? You still on the same one?
Yeah, they coming. They coming out.
Yeah, just sit them on top.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Want to keep them separated?
Huh?
Want to keep them separated?
Yeah, just for right now, and then we'll dig in once we get all the plants out, just to see how much we get from each variety. Nice. Now, Mama, you got a camera behind you also, so you can show it to that camera. I'm gonna have both footage. Look at it. Oh, look at this, y'all. Look at this monster.
That's crazy.
Wow. It's a baked potato. These little tiny tots. No.
Huh? No, not the little tiny ones. No. Yep.
They're running.
Yep. They like, what they pulling up? Let's see if I can grab one from my side. Get all the green out. Oh man, this is nice. All I'm doing is pulling a plant out and then we will dig. But I want to get the plants out of the way so we can really see what's going on in the dirt in Dolores' garden. Oh wow. Yep. So we'll dig. We just gonna pull up the plants. That way they out of the way. And then we could go dig. And they still were making more. I could have left them in. Definitely. They weren't completely, the plants weren't completely dead. Oh,
I'm trying to figure out why I wasn't coming.
show it behind you. You got a camera behind you too. It's nice, y'all. It's the best potato harvest.
Yeah.
Shoot, I just left them on top of the dirt.
Yeah, I'm gonna use on top.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that big worm. He like, what are y'all doing?
Oh.
I just covered them back up. Nice. Hmm. And then that's the seed potato that's still in there. And we gonna take these little small ones too, baby. You got, whoa, look at that. Nice.
How'd tomato get over here?
A tomato? Oh, no. That's off of the plant. Remember they made the flowers and then they had some little fruit. Those are poisonous, yeah. So we just... Woo! Seed potatoes. Nice. Let me look at your basket over there. Yeah, kind of be careful because I see the skin kind of coming off of it.
Are we keeping them separate, the reds and the...
Yes, please.
Okay, so he'd have to get these.
Yeah, we'll get all of them once we get all the plants up. Oh, this was already poking through. Look at that, y'all.
Hold up. Hold.
And look, it was, man, these were about to make some more. Worms all through this. Them Yukon Golds showing out. This won't act like it won't come up. Oh, this is red port. All right, I'm just getting a... Oh man. Worms. Whoa. Look at all those worms, y'all.
Oh, that's a different red.
Yeah, this a different kind.
Hey, look at that big one.
Hmm.
Big green one.
Mm-hmm. They were really happy over here. The worms like, why they bothering us? Look at that. You gonna start digging? All right.
Yep.
Let me get the rest of these plants out the way.
Look at that big one.
Sorry. I'm trying to move all the plants out y'all way. Huh?
those two over there.
Okay, there. All right, it's time to start digging.
Yeah.
All right, get the basket. Now y'all know they grow down, so check so we don't leave none
Yeah.
behind. Don't worry about wiping no dirt off either.
I left the bright reds for you. The dark reds in here.
Dark reds in there.
Yeah, I put a few of the bright reds because I didn't know you had a basket.
Oh, it's okay. Don't worry about it. We'll just put them all in there. And just keep digging. Mama, you want to stoop? You want to the bench?
No, I was gonna go over here and make sure I got them all.
Okay. All right, y'all. We're gonna get ready to do this bed here.
I'm just saying.
Let me get the other camera. Hey, you leaving potatoes on this plant.
I thought you said the
No, not these.
We gonna get them.
Some of them little tiny ones, not those.
Yeah.
We can make a meal out of that. Remember, that's a plate. Who gonna pull up the first one? Who wanna pull up the first one? We can't. Baby, you gonna pull up the first one?
Pull all of them up.
Yeah, but you gonna pull up the first one?
No, I ain't doing
Why is that? Because you ain't got enough on me.
You gonna do it?
Nice. Don't let them fall. You don't want them to. They are bruised, baby. So be careful. That's nice. Yep. Yeah, it's okay. It got to heal over. So be careful. Try to put all the red in one so we can use a basket so we'll see what comes out of here. Oh, you gonna put that? No, that's not a Yukon Gold.
Okay. This is different?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks different.
So just get it. Yeah. Okay, baby. Just put them on top of the soil. Don't let them fall because they'll bruise easy. Yeah. So be careful. So when I say on top of the soil, just do like this. And just take them off the plant like that. Leave them on top of the
I've been
soil.
leaving them right there. So you got to get something to put them in.
No, I just want to get the plant out the way.
Well, I'll just get something. You got to get something to put them in. And I would have did it. Get something to put them in.
Okay. All right, Mama. Let me see what you're pulling up over here.
The purples.
Be careful. Don't let them fall. Look at them beauties. Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Man, that's a nice purple. All right. Just hold them low to the... Yeah, because I don't want them to fall to bruises. Good job, babe. Well, I did not know you were in there. What you doing? Look what Mama pulled up.
Slime.
Yeah. You see, that's what they do. This is exactly what they do. They eat your roots or your plants. That's why you want him out of the bed. He was attached to the roof. We'll take care of him. let's go ahead and take care of that real quick. They attack the roots of your plant, so always check your soil, especially when you're turning over your crop. You see something in there, Casper? Yep, just put them right there. I'm gonna take care of them. Where they went? We'll take care of it. We got them. If we had chickens, we would feed them to the chicken, but
Right on the root, like you said.
that's what they do. They attack your root.
Man,
They will attach that one. Was it not a lot of potatoes? Casper, what's wrong? Oh, he hot. He's hot.
You can't move
What?
He's hot.
He's fine.
I could tell the way he breathing.
Oh, the cat?
Yeah,
Yeah, they're good things.
Yeah, he's fine.
he trying to find some shade.
Baby, he'll be fine.
Leave me alone about my cats now. Oh, shoot. Oh. These are so pretty. These are beautiful. What's wrong? Yep, leave them in there, put them on. Yeah, there you go. Don't even try to rub the soil off because it'll tear the... No, I'm talking to Mike. You want me to get him some water?
Baby, he
Mike.
can go over there and get water. Cat not helping.
Baby.
They'll get in the shade.
That be fine. You can move. You want that? You ain't bringing me no water.
Oh, Lord.
Okay. He ain't brought me nothing since he got me here.
Oh, gee.
Lizards and a dead bird.
There's another one.
That we can't even
Huh? See, this what I do, Mama.
I tell you, boy, they in this bed.
Yep. Just smush them, just like that. I just get one of these and I smush them.
It's different. Potato different.
Ooh, that's the russets.
That's the russet.
Yeah.
That's a who?
Russet potatoes, like baked potatoes. Nice.
I don't know what you said. What?
I got a new basket right here for it.
The russet potatoes, you know, like the Idaho potatoes type. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just didn't know what you said.
Oh, sorry. Don't drop them too hard, okay, baby?
I didn't drop it hard.
You see how you dropping it in there? Place it in there.
I did.
No, look how he doing it. Look how he doing it. Not drop it, baby.
Wait, look.
Yeah.
I was just trying to pull them up.
Mm-hmm. And just break them off.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, these gonna be down in there. Huh? 3 together. Now keep them together. Don't break them. Be careful. No, I'm telling you, when he put them in there, keep them together. Sorry, y'all. Oh, it's worms inside there. Hey, y'all. Y'all getting ready to...
I was just trying to pull up the plants.
What happened?
They good.
Huh? No. That's the seed potato.
Oh, you want to keep them?
Well, I put it back in there because there's a worm in there. I don't want to...
Oh.
There we go.
Look at this. Oh, something hatched. Yep, right there. Boom. smushed.
Yeah.
Oh no. Think we should pull up all the plants first and then we'll start
I was trying to
like
pull
how
them
we
off
did.
the wall so y'all could
Like how we did over there.
I thought you could pull them up and you go around the plant. Instead of pulling them all up, then you got
Baby,
You already know how we doing it.
baby, just follow how we doing it. No, but
my theory. How you trying to tell
we
I understand that, but what I was
yeah, but we already got a way we doing
I
it.
understand that, but what I was
Mr.
just giving my suggestion.
Mr. We appreciate your suggestion, but we gonna do it how we doing it.
Because
He
you didn't
always
let me finish.
you always come with another. This is how we need to do it.
She said she appreciates my suggestion.
Yeah, this is how it need to be done.
He was talking about, oh, I
You
do
know what I'm
let
saying?
you. He was saying, oh, I
What?
let you do what you try new.
Mama, wait. Hold on.
There's a lot of them.
Yeah, but Mama, wait. You taking out my worms.
Oh no, I didn't see the worms.
Yeah, it's okay. We just kill them, Mama. It's okay. That's it. We just smush. We smush and go. That's what we call it, smush and go.
There's a lot of them in there.
What was your game plan?
No, it don't matter anymore because
It's okay, baby. We gonna do it the way we already we had planned.
You want to try your next next year?
this year,
We'll take it to consideration.
You see that big one?
We'll take all suggestions. We'll put it in the suggestion box.
my bad.
We'll review it.
Panel review.
Suggestions of how next time we need to harvest potatoes.
See this one?
Yes, them Russ is good.
Oh, here go one.
I'm pulling up the plants so y'all can do it.
Baby, please don't toss it like that.
It's right there in the dirt.
Yeah, but just
Mike,
Man.
Mike,
Yes.
don't flex your muscles. Just
yeah.
Going.
you flexing your muscles.
I know.
Going.
He trying to flex muscles.
Potato can't take your muscles on.
Me? Stop trying to be facetious.
Am I being facetious? What does that mean?
Oh, look at this. Look at this sucker. Oh, sorry. Squeeze them.
Can you tell me
Yeah, those are nice.
I could
They
possibly
dig down in there,
Yeah.
so they kind of like shoot down, you know?
Yep.
do a comedy?
Oh, squished. Okay, we need another basket, y'all.
We gotta create a comedy
Delaney,
show.
Yes.
these little tiny ones.
Huh?
Clean the bed.
No, those are fine. Those can stay. But these, now the purple ones are dark, so y'all might not see them. So, oh, look at this. Make sure if y'all see them white big grubs, we smush them on command.
Man.
That's it. Done. Yeah, smush. As soon as you get them, smush.
I got one some potatoes. So. Went bad.
Let me see. No, that's the seed potato. Just leave it in there. It's for the worms. That's the seed potato that I planted that made all of these
There you
potatoes.
go, worms. Okay.
Look, oh, this is a big one. He trying to get away. Yeah. We got to take care of these grubs now because I'm putting those sweet potatoes in these beds.
Oh, awesome.
Found some potatoes? You just finding all of them, huh?
Doing a great job, girl.
I
I'm not
know.
digging. I'm just pulling.
It's your
Yeah,
first.
we can tell.
Oh. Wow.
That I'm not digging.
Yeah, we can tell.
I've already dug. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome very much.
These purples are like everywhere. We ain't even scratched the surface with these.
They explode.
And there was a lot of grubs in this bed.
There's a lot of them.
Yep, I just killed quite a few, but I'm going to till this soil up before I put my strips in them. Oh, they all the way over here. I scratched it because I was trying to dig.
I'm about to go right around.
Where goes?
Who, Keith?
Shadow.
Oh, Shadow?
Under over there. Last time he was under the shed. Where I was from.
The basket for the purple one?
Yep, look at that. Yeah, we need another basket because we don't. Up. Where you went? Where you went? There you go. Oh, Bill. Dude. Here you go. Oh, lots of grubs over here. Oh, look. Look, y'all.
Oh, come on, bro. There's dirt everywhere. Okay, so wipe it up. Don't play. There's dirt everywhere.
I was doing that.
Like,
It was just a little dirt on my hand.
just
A lot of dirt on me.
a little dirt, baby.
Yeah, but it's
I
on me.
had a spider on me.
I think that trumps dirt.
Oh, it does? Wow.
Well, a spider, babe, that's like serious.
Big dirt
I
in
done
my
had
hair.
3 spiders on.
Baby, we gonna wash your hair.
Mom.
Exactly. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot.
Oh, you found one?
Yeah, I found a couple over here. These are deep. These are really deep. The russets are deeper. See? And these the roots are thicker too.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. You got some on.
Huh?
There's someone that's like little. Right here.
Okay, I'm getting in the middle. I'm just trying to get along the. Lot of grubs. You okay? Whoa, these are like deeper.
Yeah, I think there's some right here in this little section.
Okay. Oh man, there's a lot. This is a.
I'll take these roots out, okay?
Huh? Yes. Those are from a tree or something. I just took a whole bunch. Ah, there we go. These are deep, y'all. These are deeper. I think I need to get a shovel for those. Wait. Hold on. Oh, sorry. I don't think it got on you. You just covered up on it.
I do.
Yeah. There we go. These are deeper. I don't know if I should get a shovel.
You use it right away. I need it today.
What?
Potato.
Oh yeah, exactly.
I don't know if I need to get a shovel for this bed. Cause them russets are.
You want me to grab you one?
Yeah. Cause I'm telling you, the deeper I dig, the more I find.
Thank God for the architects.
Which one?
The ones in the compost.
You don't want to take you to the street?
Yeah, if you want to, if you could do it for me. Man, y'all, we got so many grubs in these beds. That is just crazy. Never seen this many grubs in my beds before. All right, garden friends, that is it for today. We harvested both 8x4 potato beds, and I already went over the varieties that we have, so I'll turn you around so I can show you how we have everything set up, and then we'll close this out. All right. Nice. So we layered them down. My fan, of course, is on so that they can go ahead and cure. So we got an amazing potato harvest. Hey garden family, that is it for today. We harvested 2 8x4 beds of potatoes: Purple Viking, Huckleberry Gold, Caribe, Caribou. We did Red Port, Red Norland, Yukon Gold, and Prairie Blush. And we had an amazing harvest that I just showed you. So I will bring you back tomorrow so we can go ahead and plant those sweet potatoes in that bed. We also will be planting some tomatoes and eggplants, and sowing some seeds. I'm gonna put some squash, zucchini seeds down. So until next time, my friends, peace and love in Dolores' garden. Bye.